Hello. Now we will simplify it. So this omega will be cancelled and we will write this whole equation as a real and imaginary component based equation. R1 R4 equals to R2 into R3 plus j omega C1 R1 R2 R3 minus j R3 whole upon omega C2 plus R3 C1 R1 whole upon C2. So this term is real component, this term is real component, and this term is real component. These two terms are imaginary component. So now as per the basic conditions, we will equate the real component by equating real parts or terms. So when you will equate the real parts, so R1 R4 equals to R2 into R3 plus R3 C1 R1 divided by C2. Now R3 is taken common from this end. R3 is taken, so R2 plus R1 into C1 whole upon C2. Okay, now R1 in divided by into R4, and now this R3 is taken at the denominator of the R4, so it can be written as a R4 divided by R3, and R1 is taken at the whole denominator of all terms on the right hand side, so R2 divided by R1 plus R1 C1 divided by C2 into R1. So R1 and R1 will be cancelled, so your equation will be R4 R3 equals to R2 divided by R1 plus C1 by C2. So this is considered as a equation number 2. Upper equation is considered as a equation number 1, or this is equation number 1, this is considered as a equation number 2. We can also consider as it as a this. Now equating the imaginary part by equating imaginary parts. Now if you will consider the imaginary part,